the credit card answers you're looking for. The experts at NerdWallet compare hundreds of credit cards so you can shop the right card for you. From low rates to no annual fees, for all your credit card questions, turn to Nerds. You got the wallet later. Yeah. Oh. It was big in the picture. It's the size of a waffle. And it's not even Belgian. There's a better way to sell your stuff. Check out Mercari.
Will, you want to come back in here? Will.
So, did you get to meet from George's family? No, they didn't come. Really? How about her friends? They didn't come either. So, not a single friend. I don't. They don't come back for 45 days. Now that's one flush and fresh memory.
This just in from Gill's Auto Sales. The TP shortage is real. Are all your favorite stores sold out of TP and you need a new vehicle? No worries. Gill's Auto Sales has your rear covered. It's the Gill's TP Super Sale. Buy any roll of toilet paper starting at $69.95 and we'll throw in a free car, truck, or SUV. Credit problems? Gill's will wipe that clean with financing for everyone. Single ply, two ply, extra soft, quilted, velvet touch, and TP for sensitive skin. It's the Gill's TP Super Sale. Only at Gill's Auto Sales.
What's up, everybody? Just wanted to tell everybody to keep trying to stay positive out there during all this bullshit. Again, I'll say it's bullshit. It sucks. But, you know, as others are saying, even though we're separated, there's things to be thankful for, that we do have technology to entertain ourselves with, and that we can still see each other kind of face to face, in a sense. Trying not to touch my face, but when you're not supposed to touch their face, that's when your eyeballs itch and all that other good stuff, ain't it? And I'm at home. I've washed my hands. I've been practicing social distancing, all that good stuff, and I hope everyone out there is too. Yeah. So, just everybody be safe, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I got this crazy bird that taps on our window every day, and yeah, it sees this reflection in the window and attacks itself. And I wanted to share that used car or whatever, that car commercial with y'all, because I thought it was pretty funny. Like, they're just taking the situation, you know, using some humor out of it to their advantage. Buy a roll of toilet paper for $7,000 and they throw in a car for free. So that, obviously, I don't have enough subscribers that I wasn't paid to do that. I just thought that commercial was kind of funny. But, you know, again, just like my last video, that isn't to make a joke out of the current situation. It's just to try to keep people's spirits up. So be safe and have a good day.